Hello friends, today I wanted to unbox UGG Australia that I got on UGG Closet. It was sale and I got $60 rewards, so I decided to buy shoes, and also I've got something else, but in this video I will unbox the shoes. So here is the box that looks like this, and the model name is this. So let's open them. Ta-da! So these are these are the shoes that I've got. These are actually moccasins. So let's take them off. Comes also with this. So here are the shoes that I've got. This model is called, I showed you in past. So they are made from sheepskin. They look like this. I got them in size 10 because I was afraid that they will not fit me. And here they have narrow part. It would be great if they would be in size 9.5, but they don't carry this size, so I got them half size bigger. So looks like this. And inside they are really fluffy. They have nice furry lining of sheepskin, UGG pure lining with wool, and here inside we have UGG sign, and they're really cozy and warm, perfect for winter, spring and fall. I can wear them as a home slippers or maybe even outside, as they have nice. And this model is Bodalicious, and it comes with those tiny little stardust shimmers. So they are very cute. That's it for today unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you like, thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit notification bell to be notified. So see you in the next videos. Bye.